Hey everyone, welcome to this quick 2025 guide on how to change lowercase to uppercase in Canva with just one click. If you often work on designs and want your text to stand out, this simple trick will save you a lot of time. Open your browser and go to Google. Type in Canva and open the Canva website. Log in with your account. Once you're in, either create a new design from scratch or pick a template you like. On your canvas, add a text box and type in whatever text you want. Then select that text and choose the font you prefer. Look at the toolbar. You should see a double A button, which lets you toggle between uppercase, lowercase, and title case. If you don't see double A immediately, click the three dots for more options and you'll find the double A icon there. Tap double A and your lowercase text will change to uppercase instantly. And that's it. One click is all it takes to convert lowercase to uppercase in Canva.